how to get an active developer badge in Discord. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can get an active developer badge for yourself in Discord in the easiest way. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the user settings. And once you're in the user settings section, from here, what you are going to want to do is you're going to go down here where it says advanced. And in the advanced section, you're going to turn on the developer mode, and you are going to make sure that the Discord API is fully integrated with your actual Discord application. And from there, you can actually use the developer settings in Discord in different ways that you would want to. So, different activity privacies can be set for your streamer settings and a whole lot more. So, whatever developer worthy stuff you do, you're going to make sure to keep on doing it. And there will be a point in your developing when you're going to get an active developer badge with your name right over here. Just make sure to keep the developer mode on and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.